Welcome to Maths class. This is the continuation class of ratio and proportion. In this class, I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 3.2. Question number 2. Complete the table. In this table, the measurements are given in feet and inches. 1 feet equal to 12 inches. 2 feet equal to 24 inches. 3 feet equal to dash inches and dash feet equal to 72 inches. Now we find the missing values. Inches is given in 12 multiples. So 1 feet equal to 12 inches, 2 feet equal to 2 into 12 equal to 24 inches. Now 3 feet equal to 3 into 12, 36 inches. And to find the feet from inches, the value in inches is divided by 12. So 72 inches is divided by 12, we get 6 feet. So 72 inches is equal to 6 feet. Subdivision 2. The values are given in this table. The values are given in 7 multiples. In this table, days and weeks are given. Days in 7 multiples. So 7 days equal to 1 week. So here 28 days equal to 4 weeks. 21 days equal to 3 weeks and dash days equal to 2 weeks. 63 days equal to dash weeks. Now we find the missing numbers. Days given in 7 multiples. So to find the number of days in 2 weeks equal to 2 into 7 equal to 14 days. So 2 weeks equal to 14 days. And to find the number of weeks of 63 days equal to 63 divided by 7, we get 9 weeks. So 63 days equal to 9 weeks. Question number 4. Give 2 equivalent ratios for each of the following. Subdivision 1, 3:2. We can get the equivalent ratios by multiplying denominator and numerator by common number. First we write the ratio form in fraction form. 3:2 equal to 3 by 2 and then 3 by 2 is multiplied by the common number 2 and 3. 3 by 2 into 2 by 2 equal to 6 by 4. And 3 by 2 is multiplied by 3 by 3 equal to 9 by 6. Now we write the fraction form in ratio form. 6 by 4 equal to 6:4. 9 by 6 equal to 9:6. Here 6:4 and 9:6 are the equivalent ratios of 3:2. Subdivision 2, 1:6. Here 1:6 equal to 1 by 6. The fraction 1 by 6 is multiplied by the common number 2 and 3. 1 by 6 is multiplied by 2 by 2 equal to 2 by 12. 1 by 6 into 3 by 3 equal to 3 by 18. Now the fraction form write in ratio form. 2 by 12 equal to 2:12 and 3 by 18 equal to 3:18. 2 by 12 and 3:18 are the equivalent ratios of 1:6. Subdivision 3, 5:4. To find the equivalent ratios, first we write ratio, given ratio in fraction form. 5:4 equal to 5/4. Then the fraction is multiplied by common number 2 and 3. We get the equivalent ratios. 5/4 is multiplied by 2/2 equal to 10/8. 5/4 is multiplied by 3/3 equal to 15/12. Now we write the fraction form in ratios. 10/8 equal to 10:8 and 15/12 equal to 15:12. 10:8 and 15:12 are the equivalent ratios of 5:4. Question number 5. Which of the two ratios is larger? To find the larger ratio from the given ratios, first we find the denominator of the common denominator. So we find the LCM of denominator of the fraction form. So first we write ratio in fraction form. 4:5 equal to 4/5 and 8:15 equal to 8/15. Here the LCM of denominator 5 and 15 equal to 15. So 4/5 is multiplied by 3/3. We get 12/15. So now the fractions 8/15 and 12/15 with common denominator 15. Now compare the numerators 12 and 8. 12 is greater than 8. So 12/15 is larger than 8/15. From this 4:5 is greater than 8:15. Subdivision 2. 3:4 or 7:8. First we write the ratio in fraction form. 3:4 equal to 3/4. 7:8 equal to 7/8. Now we find the LCM of 4 and 8 equal to 8. So 3/4 is multiplied by 2/2 equal to 6/8. Now the fraction 6/8 and 7/8 having common denominator 8. Now compare the fraction 6/8 and 7/8. Here 7/8 is the larger number. So 3:4 is less than 7:8. So the larger ratio is 7:8. Subdivision 3. 1:2 or 2:1. First we write the ratio in fraction form to find the larger ratio. 1:2 equal to 1/2 and 2:1 equal to 2/1. The LCM of 1 and 2 equal to 2. So 2/1 is multiplied by 2/2 equal to 4/2. Now compare the fractions 1/2 and 4/2. 4/2 is the larger fraction than 1/2. From this 1:2 is less than 2:1. Here 2:1 is the larger ratio. Students, I hope you all have understood the sums given in exercise 3.2. Thank you.